Now we will try to do the task. We will create a guest administrator user and deactivate it. First, we need to set up and there create a new user. In order to create a new user, we need to go to the users page via global search component. Click new user. On the new user page, we will create the new system administrator. For example, then we will select the license. According to this license type, you will see profiles. Profiles are depending on user license type. And here we may select the system administrator role. Username must be guestadmin somewhere in it. I see that role is obligatory and we need to select any team. Let's do it, for example, Western Sales team, okay? Alias. Let's find alias. Should be guestadm. Okay. And the username I should contain this guestadmin. Okay. I think we're ready. Duplicate username. The username already exists in this or another Salesforce organization. So we need to do such way. This administrator because we need only this part. Email or BBM. Okay, let's check. Yeah, created. Now we will use our task in order to check it. Check our task. Okay, it might be not active. I see it is active. Let's do again. Okay, we should fix this problem. I found the reason we forgot to deactivate the user. For this purpose, you should find the active, inactive checkbox and deactivate the user and save it. And now we have 500 points. Thank you very much. Let's see the next lesson.